I just was going over it. Is so just the hemshech habisna, just to put things in context. Okay, and tell me what you think. Okay, so the second part of when it started after the first chelik of the hemshech, it talks about the three perushim in Kesed, which is basically the Malasev and Atzmus. So the second part, which starts Shavuos Ayin Gimel, it started in the Kuda was that there's two Amshachas. There's Eira Gvul, there's Eira Bli Gvul. And they're both necessary. One basically is essentially the parameters and mahus of existence, which is Eira Gvul. It's still a Lakus, but it's Lefi Erecha and Vroim. And the Eira Bli Gvul's Indian is to primarily be Mamshach Bittel. Welt. The Welt should have bittul talakus. In other words, if you didn't have the Eira Bli Gvul, it would still be a mitzias. Yes, Misha Eyev or whatever Lashon he uses. To understand that, I'm not going to go through everything, just the general nakudas. Went to a whole arichas between the difference between Avedis HaOvis and Avedis for Matan Torah. That the Ovis, Lifnei Matan Torah, was all still in the Eira Gvul. And that, all the dargis in that, stretching it for Nalazayt. But ultimately, even the Eira Gvul, as much as you stretch it, it's still ultimately within existence. It's not something that is a completely different paradigm, a different way of looking at existence, which is from the Eira Bli Gvul. It's really done by Matan Torah. And when Rabbi Rashab went back and forth, there were the ways to look at it. There was in Ol and there was in Atzilus for Atzilus and Atzilus for Biyah. I'm not going to go through all that. But that's the thread. Then we began the discussion of Mumutzoyim, starting with the Mumutz of Ak. Because the Mumutz is a very central Nakuda.
The whole Kesser thing's
yeah, right. But he didn't even get to Kesser yet. You're going to get to it later a little. So the Mumutz of Ak, I'm sorry, the Mumutz of Ein Sof. No. The Mumutz of Ein Sof, Kav. Where there, as he explains, we consider Mumutz Eridach, so Adek Gvul, Adek Bli Gvul. And the answer is this is more Mumutz in Elokus Gufa. The Eibishter has the Keich HaGvul and the Keich but not Gvul HaGvul of Kelim, the Eir HaGvul and the Eir Bli Gvul. Then he moved over to the Mamutza of Ak, where he said this is already a Mamutza Mitzad Nevroim. Because Ak is the klal, the picture. Not the picture of one prat, of Gan Seder Shtalshus, Ak is the picture. So it's a Mamutza because it allows the pratim of the details of life, as we know it, of existence, to connect to the bigger picture of the Eibush to cook them. The Mavet Klali, as he says, the Adam Kad. Then he went over to discuss the Mamutza of Atzilus, which is another Shtuka Mamutza. But then, from there, began the discussion now, let's call it the Aveda of it. That's more the Haskalah of it, the Aveda of it, which is Teda. What does it mean in Unzer Aveda? All that is Mamayla. Like you said, there's two things here. The Mamutza is necessary for the way the Eibishter creates the world, like you say,